Yo, Prince, bro.
It's good. It was good.
Bro, I had that NVIDIA play, and I was just like, damn, should I keep it or should I hold it?
Yeah.
When you make a play, like, where should my confidence come from in your play? Like, how do I just be like, all right, let me just give it time? Because, like, I'd be scared of swings. Like, that's the only thing.
Confidence is in the chart. A few people posted the chart. Yeah. That was really it, bro. Just knowing that we tried to break a high from a couple days ago. We tried a couple times. And then, yeah. That's it.
Okay.
That's it, bro.
I see.
So, like, y'all really be basing everything off of charts?
Yeah, really.
Like, are y'all heavy into charts for real?
We are. The guy that's gonna cheat right now, the guy that's gonna teach right now, he heavy in the charts, bro.
God damn. By the way, it's my first day here. I just wanted to ask, 'cause I seen a lot of y'all posts in the chat about textbook.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not familiar with the terminology. What do y'all mean by textbook?
I never wrote. I'm not completely sure who wrote that, but the couple guys that
Somebody said, like, yeah, for example, somebody said CRWD was textbook. And
like
then
the
somebody
setup.
has, yeah.
Yeah, the setup was like the one they like.
Oh, okay.
Testing, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2. Mic check. Bro, do you know how to do you know how to share your screen or do you don't do that?
Yeah, I can only do it on my phone, bro.
Oh, it's okay.
For some reason, my computer don't do it.
Okay, it's okay. Because I'm gonna have to leave for the pedicure, so I was like, I need somebody to share their screen.
Bro. It's all right, bro. Yeah, go just tell Ling to put on her mask and shit and get you right, bro.
All right.
Bougie as hell.
Someone had just asked a question about textbook. You can whoever asked it. Sorry, was it? I can't remember.
Yeah, it was me.
Okay, yeah. You can ask that question again. I'm gonna be typing the chat though from right now.
You said textbook.
When he said textbook, I don't think that's like a trade term. I think he just meant like it's textbook. Like you will follow this. Like this is like by the book. I don't think that's like a trading term or anything.
Yeah, that's not a trading term. No,
like
the
that.
trade was textbook. You know, like if a nigga get the ball in the NFL, he run a great play and he go score. Like that was a textbook run, textbook block, just a textbook play. That's it. It don't mean nothing.
Yeah, like just by the book type shit.
Yeah.
By the book.
Right on point. That's it. I'll be right back though. I just got home. I'll be right back. Give me like 3 minutes. Hey, so I got an idea. I'm finna download Discord on the iPad and see if that be work on there. Damn. Where's the iPad?
Well, yeah, I thought this was for 7. Oh, yeah, y'all East.
Hey! Don't start, Gabby. I'm just playing. That's my dog. What a BBW show at? Prince, can y'all hear me?
Yeah.
It is 7, Gabby, but what's the name? Eastern time.
Oh,
Sure.
I'll
Yeah, it's
specify that in the future because I'm on Central.
yes. Oh man. Man, how y'all doing today, man? How y'all trading week been? Y'all just come in here and be quiet. This ain't that side, bro.
Good, great, but I'm not. I'm drinking, but I'm listening.
Who is that? Who is that? Oh, that's Trap. Boy, you do not be in the trap, boy. We ain't got no other players. Hey, Prince, get BBW showing here, bro. What is he doing? What I learned from the streets, talk to him, handle your beef. You play with kids.
Listen, nigga, that's shit right here, nigga. It's a business. Oh shit.
Oh, role model. Oh, who ain't sweet? They may see. I'm download this junk on my I'm download this Discord on the iPad real quick because I'm pretty sure I can share the screen from there and that'll be way better.
What? You got an iPad, boy?
Hey man, mind your motherfucking business, my nigga.
Hey, you finally listened to me, huh?
I don't take it with me though. It stay at the crib.
No, I bet you be going with me, shit. Every stop.
Nah, I can't, gang. That's way too crazy.
Well, yeah, I feel you.
Yeah,
But
way
good
too crazy.
evening, everyone.
Hey, if I had this big ass thing sitting up there by the windshield, boy. I thought about it though. Don't
You
get
teaching tonight?
wrong. Who?
You.
I guess so, bro. Damn, bro. Just let me download it, bro.
You got a nice
I
crowd
don't know why
tonight.
you act like you don't like teaching. He like teaching. He just be acting like he don't.
Nah, it's because I knew you was finna come out the cut and say something. That's all.
No,
You
you
just be
didn't. You
falling
didn't
into
know
my
that.
trap. You
You
be
didn't know
falling into
that.
my
You
trap so
listen. You're
bad.
not good at these traps. I don't want
Yes,
you
I
to think
am.
that.
Yes, I'm.
I want you to think
I'm
that.
way
Like
better than you.
I'm gonna. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a lie, but cool.
See, that's just telling me that you don't need to be messed with. You be playing these. I ain't gonna say the word, but you ain't right. You don't be playing foul. You don't play foul. You don't play
I
foul.
don't play foul.
Cause I
Explain
know
it.
you don't play. You
Expound a
from
little.
Louisiana. You from Louisiana, and
I'm
how you
from New
talk, you
Orleans.
don't
I'm
play
not from
foul.
Louisiana. I'm from New Orleans. I'm not from Louisiana. That's
You
two
from
different fucking places.
Louisiana.
Go ahead and explain. I want you to expound a little bit.
Say
This
that again.
I'm not playing fair. I want you to expound a little bit more
You don't
on me
play
not playing
fair.
fair.
You play.
How?
You play niggas.
How?
Cause you do.
How?
I was raised by a family full
You're
of
not
women.
answering my question straight. I said how.
I wouldn't know exactly how, but I know I
Okay,
was
well then you
raised.
can't you're just saying anything then. That's what I'm saying. You're making stuff up. That's my point.
I am. I'm
You can't
assuming.
even
I'm assuming.
explain. Yeah,
I'm
you are.
assuming.
You are.
I'm
I
assuming.
know. It's fine.
We just talking
It's fine.
junk though, right?
I'm gonna
It
correct you
ain't
on
nothing
it. Yeah,
serious. Don't take it serious. Don't do
I'm gonna
that.
correct you on it. It's fine.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
It's fine. You'll be fine. You'll catch on eventually. That's cool.
Now I'm gonna catch on to you playing like you like. Come on, like what you want me to
The
catch
stuff
on?
you making up, you making stuff up again.
Why I
Remember
gotta be
we
making stuff
established
up?
this. Bob, get to the people don't want to sit on this call and just do this. Get to whatever the hell you about to do.
Gabby then came in here and changed the game, man. I'm just trying to download Discord, man. I was talking to show. You came out the cut. Give me 2 minutes, guys. What's up with this? Now you want to see Gabby play too much for me, bro. But nah, so this not my iPad, bro. I didn't get no iPad, bro. You already know, bro. You figured me out yesterday, bro. You need to chill out, bro. All right, I can't do that. Oh.
Prince gonna have to start it then.
Say that again.
I said if you can't do it, Prince gonna have to start it.
Man, Prince trying to go to Ling Ling and let her play with his toes and stuff like that. Let me see if I can get my computer to do it. We're gonna start in 3 minutes, team. 7:20 Eastern time. You know.
Look, I'm trying to get some news. What's going on tomorrow? What's going on?
Or hey, can I get on the Safari and do it too?
Yeah, you gotta log into Discord through Safari.
Bet. We finna make this happen then. I'm about to just do it on my phone. Shit acting weird. Here we go. Yo,
We hear you.
we hit bet. All right, we in action. Wow, you can't share the screen unless you're on the app. This ain't my iPad. My computer is literally, I don't know why it don't do it. That shit is so corny. Hey, yo, show.
What's going on?
Hold on. I might can do it on my computer now. Damn. What the fuck, bro? What you press? Do you press share a window, share entire screen?
Oh, you need to share entire screen.
Hey, if y'all see something y'all ain't supposed to see, don't mind your business. Nah, I'm playing. Choose content to share. Notification will be turned off while sharing the screen. Do I press screen? Window, screen? Screen.
Yeah, you do window screen.
Is it sharing or nah?
Hold on, let me see.
Nah, we don't see nothing.
No, I don't see nothing.
It's funny as hell that y'all know how to make all this money in the stock market, but can't figure out how to share your screen.
Nigga, you lucky I'm teaching. Nah. Nah, I never did it, bro, because my junk would never share. You feel me? So now it's finally trying to let me share. Now I'm trying to figure it out. You feel me? I never was able to do this. Why is it? Do I got to use some nitro in this bit or something?
No, you don't,
probably
man.
look on YouTube.
No, you don't, Bob. It's probably just your computer, your setup. Because I don't know why you can't share your screen even on your computer.
It's saying screen share. Click the make selection button, then choose a window, application, or screen to go live using your system menu. So make
just
selection.
click screen.
I click screen. Is it sharing now?
No.
You're not on the Mac, are you? Because I know sometimes you gotta like give them permissions.
This shit ragged.
No, that's when you gotta use your dash. I mean your cam and stuff.
Why you thug me like that?
So Prince, you gotta take over. No, Prince at Pilates, huh?
Yeah, bro. We ain't come for Prince to talk, bro. Tired of that nigga talking. He got all the money, bro.
Oh, so the docks, the ports, they strike.
Yeah, they you knew they was gonna end that strike, man. Them
Bro,
boys.
did you hear what they wanted? They wanted 75% pay increase. God damn. I don't even get 3%.
The boys wanted a check for real. What the boys wanted 70-some% increase.
They wanted 75. They agreed at 62.
It's over 6 years though. That's not the worst.
And they haven't had a raise since 1977. The 66%. Yes. What they were asking for was the 77% was not ridiculous. Over 6 years, you ain't had a raise since 1977.
Well, I'm basing off. I work for AT&T, and every contract they get a raise. It like 40% raise over the life of 5 years. Another 40% the next 5 years. Another 40%. So I didn't know that was the last time they got a raise in the 60s or 70s. That's wild.
Right. That's why they're trying to make those people seem like they're being ridiculous. Like that.
What's going to happen though? They already got it. They automation, and then they gonna lay people off.
Right. That's what they're gonna do. They just appeasing them so they could come up with a plan to get rid of them.
We'll give you 62%. We're gonna cut back hours and increase automation.
Here we go. Is we active?
There you go. Yeah, I see it.
God damn, PJ.
Boy, you is okay. You fancy, Bob. You fancy.
I'm fancy. What you talking about, bro? What the fuck?
Can y'all still hear me?
Yeah, we hear you, Bob.
Yeah, we've been waiting for you this whole time. We can definitely still hear you.
Gabby, this is a serious moment right now, bro. Cut it out, please.
I'm just making a point, but go ahead.
I don't need you to make no point, man. Is we active? My junk going a little slow, but can y'all see this?
Yeah, you on AMD.
Bet, man.
Hear you, bro.
Y'all got questions? Do we got any questions like at all?
Yeah, I got a question. What made you
Go
get
ahead.
an AMD yesterday?
Oh man, this was lovely, guys. So as we see here, we're gonna go to the weekly chart. I posted Ben and AMD since I plotted AMD out since this right here, right? 135. I was seeing it down here. But anyways, what made me get an AMD? I seen we was bullish on the weekly. You know, we bullish on the weekly, so I dropped down to a lower time frame. Go to my daily. As you see,
The one underneath. You trying to get that line?
yeah, I just want a little something that I can draw.
Oh, you want to draw? So click the text where it's at the T at,
E.
and go to the one above it with the rectangle. We go to brush right there.
Brush. So as you see, this was structure right here. We broke through the structure. Now I want to see the retest, which is the green line, right? Which is the green line. So get me off all this shit, bro.
Click that arrow. There you go, the crosshairs.
I mean, y'all got to bear with me because I'm not sure enough. That nigga do this all the time. But we broke through structure right here, right? We broke through structure. We went up. So now I'm just waiting for it to come back to structure right here. Waiting for it to come down structure. I go down to a lower time frame. That's the daily. The 4 hour looks the exact same. Go down to your 1 hour. It looks the exact same. So that is a pure, it can't get better setup, right? So how do you enter the play? That's what I think it's Frankie said. I was asking that. How do you enter play? A reversal pattern, right? You want to see a reversal pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. I got in right there. I got an AMD right here. I didn't even hesitate. Soon as I went dropped down to the 5 minute. How do you just get this off your junk, bro? Like, leave me alone, bro.
What you trying to get off?
The marker, like, I don't want to be on it no more.
Just go back and click that thing at the top, the crosshairs, all the way at the top. There you go.
Oh, facts. Okay. I saw that. Hey, tighten up. So right shoulder, but I'm still drawing. What the fuck?
No, you shouldn't be if you're not on it.
Well, left shoulder, right shoulder, no, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. I'm on a 5 minute time frame. I'm scoping this from the 15 minute though. I don't want to be on that low of a 5 minute time frame, right? I just know what I'm looking at, sort of, kind of. You feel me? So I got a kind of a glimpse. I seen this hammer candle form, and I kind of got confused, right? I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Then I went to show because I seen this right here, right? But I was on a 5 minute. But I did my analysis from the daily. I did my analysis from the daily. I did my analysis from the daily. So I kind of tricked myself, right? And I kind of misled the girl. I think her name Incog, something like that. Kind of misled her, right? But I seen this right here: left shoulder, head, right shoulder. But then I thought about it. I was like, no, hell no. I'm on too low. I'm on a time frame that's way too low, right? I'm way too low. So I said I did my analysis on these big time frames. So I had the lowest I can go is the 15 minute. I can't go no lower than 15 minute, right? So
Yeah, about the picture, right?
I let it. Hey, Gab, you gotta mute yourself, please.
That's not me.
Oh, I don't know whoever that is. I don't have.
Oh, is the
control
journal up? Why deleted that? Blanco. Blanco, is that how you say it in there?
Yeah, that's how. Yeah, I can't. I'm not on that screen to see who it is.
Yeah,
Thank you.
gotta mute yourself, Blanco. My bad, guys.
No, that's all good. Appreciate it. So, left shoulder, right shoulder. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. As soon as this candle was finished,
I moved to my Mac.
I'm not gonna lie. I didn't let this candle finish. As soon as we started bouncing, I did aggressive. Hey, excuse me, shorty. Can you mute your mic? Okay, now we're back in action. Like I said, the reversal pattern. You want to see a reversal pattern. As soon as we started bouncing and going green on this candle right here, I did an aggressive entry and I entered. My stop loss would be below this. We clear 158.11. I get out the trade, right? And he ran up the rest of the day and just started peeling off and falling. But we never got down here. So my play is still valid. I never got out. Woke up this morning, was at work, market open, and it just shot up. Contracts, I had next week contracts, 170s. I still got one left. The reason I got 170 is because AMD, they're not cheap for real, and my price target would be the swing high. So it's a 1, 2, 3 move. 1, 2, and I want to break the 167, 50, 51. I want to go fill this gap. This gap right here, I want AMD to fill it, and I'll be happy. That's why I'm leaving my one contract. I got till next week. I'm gonna let it see what it do. Today we got a nice little push close at the end, but it's simple though. It's just simple. It ain't as simple like that though. But we green on the day. I still got plenty of momentum to go. That's what made me stay in this play. We're closing above the body of yesterday's candle. Yes, if you want to use the strat, we got a 2-1-2 reversal, whichever way. But that's just how Shonuff helped me and taught me. Yeah, it's not hard. You just a 1, 2, 3 move. What's another stop? PLTR. If I'm not explaining good for real, please come to the mic and ask, please. But PLTR, it's more of the same thing, but not really. This one is kind of tough. This is why some of y'all was getting a little shooken out, but we never broke below this spot right here, this line right here, this 35.74. We never broke below it. It was just consolidating. It was waiting to blast off. It just, you had to have time on your contracts to get the move. It consolidated and held right here for the longest and broke through. But if you go to a lower time frame, These are the levels I'm drawing, a support and resistance, but it's market structure. That's how I trade it. I'm trading support and resistance with price action, but the support and resistance, I'm making sure that it's important. It's a valuable spot to bounce at. So way from PLTR way back here from, you could have rolled this from, if you would have bought enough, just on something you buy enough time, but PLTR since 29, it just do the same thing. You go to the 1 hour, pretty sure I got the same action. You broke structure. Oh, hold on, let me go back this way. Sorry guys, I'm not a real teacher, that's shown enough, but I'm doing the best I can. You broke structure right here. This is structure at 29.76. Don't get in the trade right here. Don't get in the trade right here. Wait for it to pull back. Just literally wait for it to come back to you. It's gonna come back to you. And if it don't, fuck it. Leave it alone. But if it do, you could enter the trade off this hammer candle. If you just want to enter at the end of the day, you probably had to buy some time because the next 2 days was kind of choppy. But right here, it gave you a the same thing. My screen is glitching. My computer ain't used to all this. Same thing, right? Same thing. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, inside bar, get in the trade. Same thing. Same exact thing. You could have just been eating off PLTR. If you just bought yourself some time, you could have been eating it all the way up there from 29 all the way up. But that's the simple thing. It's not hard. You just got to be patient, very, very patient, and just wait until you see that reversal pattern to get in. And if you mess up your entry, if you see a setup like something like this, and say you entered right here, right? Say you entered on this candle. Say you messed up and entered on that candle, the first one, the first inside bar, and it rolled up on you, then it just start pulling back. Say you got out the trade. What you do is you don't leave the ticker. The ticker has a setup for you. Don't leave it. Stay with it. Stay with it. Don't go looking all the other tickers and all the stuff, what's happening in the chat, this and that. There's a such thing as spreading yourself thin. You'll see Prince. Prince got a 6-figure portfolio. He's in this trade, that trade, this trade. He's only in there with like $300 to turn it into like $2,000, $4,000. He doesn't care about he doesn't care about the trade because his risk management is so on point. Know what you can do. Me, all I did was play AMD until that bitch came through for me. I played Exxon earlier in the week. I played some other trades the day I was off. That was yesterday. I messed up. Then I told myself I'm not doing that no more. I'm just only sticking to the trade that got a clear setup that will make me money. I can't worry about what everybody else doing because that's gonna hurt me. I can't look at everybody else being in these plays because it's gonna hurt you. Know what you can see, know what you can do, and do what works for you. For me, I'm only able to be in 1 or 2 plays, and that's gonna help me. Y'all had PLTR. I didn't touch PLTR. Y'all was eating. I didn't touch it. I just messed with AMD and Exxon. Those 2 on my game plan. God, shorty. But You gotta know what works for you, but it's as simple as that. Y'all got some other tickets y'all want to bring up? I hope I'm doing a good, nice little job.
Now I got a question though. How do you figure out like?
Oh,
How
my
you
bad.
figure out? Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
This is good ones. Probably those, yeah. Hold on. Oh, it's the next one.
Did somebody
have chat? Yeah, it's the next one. This is that right there. No, listen. It's crazy the number of like chain restaurants they have. Like they all like where I stay. It's like 4 Walmarts in like 5 miles.
Show, you're off mute.
Yes,
it is. BBL ass nigga.
That's straight. Hold on, baby.
Do y'all okay? My bad, y'all. What's up? We back at it. What y'all got a ticker for me? What's up? Am I doing a nice job? Are you understanding? Am I helping? Give me some feedback, please.
Nah, you said that you only fuck with 2 trades, and that's what I'm trying to get on. Just so
Man, that shit was ass, bro. That shit was so ass.
Hey, J Money, do not start, bro, because I got size 15 Tims in my room. I'll put them bitches on and step on your ass. Leave me alone right now, bro. My bad, y'all. You see that nigga get me out of character, bro? You nigga be tweaking. What's up?
That 2-ticket situation, that 2-ticket shit is clutch. It should definitely come handy.
I'm just trying to figure out how you figure out which like plays you want to fuck with. Like what companies like because you like I ain't never even heard of this PLTR shit before today.
Okay, so like I say, I was in here trading with Shonuff for 2 years, getting my ass whooped, right? And we just came up with I just trade Nike. At one point in time, I was only trading Nike, Starbucks, Exxon, Nike, Starbucks, Exxon. Which other one it was? Disney. It was 5 of them. Nike, Exxon, Starbucks, Disney. And there's one more, right? But you gotta just come up with the reason we was trading those, right? Because they don't move slow, but they don't move fast. So you're able to manage your position pretty well. You feel me? It's not like a Tesla. Tesla, you on the wrong side. You look back, that you ain't got time. Your ass is down immediately, and you're getting cooked. NVIDIA, same thing. AMD, same thing. If you ain't got time on them contracts, you will get cooked immediately. So that's where it came. That's where it started at. I was tired of getting cooked. I was tired of hopping in a trade, not really halfway knowing what I know now, and I'm just getting cooked. So it's like, let me go to something that's slower. It ain't too slow. Like 4 is like extra slow, right? I'm not there. I want to be something in between the middle. So that's why we came up with a list. Starbucks, Nike, Disney, Exxon, but those we could just stay with those 4, right? Those were the main ones, and that's what helped me start getting it together because they don't move too fast and they don't move too slow. And that's it, bro. You gotta discipline yourself. Like just simply discipline yourself. You gotta know what's gonna help you. You gotta figure out what's your strength and weaknesses.
Got you. You keep breaking like how much time left in your contracts. How do you figure out how long you want the contract to last anyway? Like how do you pick the parameter of time?
Okay, so the third week of every month is the highest volume in all contracts, right? Every you can go through every ticker, you can go through the option chain. If you go to the third week of the month, you will see that it has the highest OI volume. You have to know. So my AMD, right? I did my analysis on the daily, and I entered off the hours type 15. I did it off the 15 minute, but I knew I needed at least a week of time for the move to happen. I don't want Theta to whoop me. So that's how you gotta look at the Greeks. But if I go in the money and I buy at least a week or two a time, I know I'm straight. But I didn't go in the money. I just checked the Greeks a little bit. I checked the Greeks and I saw the 170 was straight. The 170 had some good volume and it's my price target. Honestly, I use price targets. I use price target my contracts or I go in the money. With the time, you gotta. Well, let's go back to AMD. With AMD, you gotta know. Like, I did my analysis on the daily. I'm trying to get back up to 167. We at 159. AMD moves an average about from 140. AMD can move about $8 in a day, give or take. From 158 to 167, give or take, it'll take. We reached that a day, so I just need an extra week of time for real. If you catching what I'm saying, I just need an extra week or 2 weeks, depending on where you want to go with it. But I'm just trying to get back to this 167 and break it. But I'm not holding all my contracts to here. Like I was up 90% today. I took 2 contracts off. I'm taking my money because if I ain't take my money at 90%, my contract sitting at 20% now. If I don't take you're getting this boost early, right? Take your money off the table, bro. Don't sit there holding like a gulucky because you're gonna feel shitty. And then if it start dropping like this, and you ain't used to holding shit, you ain't used to your money deteriorating from you, you gonna sell it. And then guess what? Tomorrow this bitch gonna go up again. And you're gonna be mad as hell at yourself. So sell your money, sell the contracts into the push, into the strength, and leave a runner. My runner's still green. I'm up like 20% on it. I'm not really tripping because I done made my money. I made about 500 on that. I'm not tripping on it. It is what it is. If it go to break even, I get out. But we did a nice little push at the end of the day, so I held it. But with the time, I hope I gave you a good enough explanation. You just want to get away from weeklies. That's what I would say. The only time I play weekly is like Monday and Tuesday. After Tuesday, I'm going next week. I'm done playing with weeklies after Tuesday. The theta get high. If you get the wrong move, you cooked, bro. You're literally cooked. Unless you the only way you should be playing weeklies after Tuesday is if you playing small to win big. Like I've seen Shono turn $30 into like 300 in like 3 days. Like you got to play small to go big. Like you got to know what you getting into. If you buy yourself some time, you can buy more contracts. Give yourself some leeway. But if you're playing weeklies, play small to win big. That's when you start getting those big percentages. But am I explaining that good enough, bro? Just talk to me.
No, you good. This makes sense. I'm listening for sure.
Straight up. All right, yeah. So I don't play weeklies after Tuesday.
And I'm assuming by weekly, you mean like cashing that bitch that same week.
No. A weekly is what's today? Today is Thursday. Okay, so every week starts with Monday, right? Of course. So a weekly contract would be a contract expiring that same week. That's all a weekly is. A contract expiring that same week.
Got it. On
SPY and all the other ones, you can get a contract like every other, like today 0 DTE, 1 DTE, 2 DTE. But on the stocks, you get the far as you getting is weeklies. You feel me? So that's what I mean. A weekly is a contract that's expiring the same week. After Tuesday, I no longer mess with weeklies because the theta is kicking up and it's just not safe. It's not safe unless you you're a sniper. Because one wrong move on a weekly, 2 bad candles on a weekly, you will be down 30-40% in no time. Any more questions? No. Any
Bob, you
tickers?
can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear now.
I bet. Yeah. So I wanted to know if you could run that shoulder head and shoulder analysis on this ticker called Cyber Art. So CYB
CYB
R
I
R R.
O R.
Yeah.
The inverse head and shoulders is like that's just what it was for those 2 tickers I had showed you. It could be a double bottom, it could be a triple bottom, it could be a falling wedge. It's just a reversal pattern, but this actually looks good because it's got a hammer on the daily. I use fibs too. Sorry guys, I didn't say that. But you bounce at the 618 fib. That's all I was seeing that from the get-go. I knew it was nice. On your 1 hour, you got a hammer candle sitting right in the middle. I see what you're saying. You go to your 15-minute, gave you a hammer candle at the beginning of the day. Hammer candle inside candle. Could have entered right here.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't. That's what I was thinking. Like, I don't know because it only had like one pullback right there where you had then you had changed it on the daily. Fuck.
So with this one, let me take this off. Too much shit. Same thing, right? You got you bouncing at the 618 field. If we doing structure. Same shit. You had a nice one, bro. Broke it up, came back down. Now you want to go take out the high. So your price target would be up here.
293. Where?
Yeah, this should go back to the 293 because it looked good.
Yeah.
Yep. You see how that's all lining up though?
Low key.
Like this was resistance right here for the daily. It was the resistance for the daily. It flipped to support. 4 hour, the same thing. Same thing for that. Now we came right back. You got your. Let's see if it pulled back for you and come back again for that. I see what you're saying. That other shoulder.
Yeah.
Hopefully it pulled back for you and come back to you again. It reject right here. Come back to give you another entry. And if it come back right here, if it come back right here, if you see a hammer candle or engulfing candle or something like that, get into play and just put your stop loss in, bro. Put your stop loss in by right below this candle right here, about 272 area. and let it rock out. Buy yourself some time. Buy yourself like 2 weeks out, and let it rock out. See what happens. But the only thing is we got this hammer count on the daily, so I'm kind of scared it won't come back to you.
For sure.
But tomorrow, I mean, shit, you might can just enter tomorrow. Not for me to tell you what to do, but the hammer on the daily is telling a lot. Yeah, but your entry, you could have entered down here. You definitely had that one. That's good. But that's all we want to see, bro. That's all we want to see. 1, 2, 3, move. My bad. What you about to say, bro? My bad.
Nah, I ain't saying nothing.
Okay, yes, sir. But that's all we want to see. The 1, 2, 3 move.
Facts.
You broke structure. You break structure. Go to the top. Pull back. 2, 3. You gotta just find your entry. Bro was asking how you buy low and sell high, right? You buy low and sell high when you break resistance and resistance turns to support. Wait for the stock to come back to your support. Wait for your stock to come back to support that used to be resistance. That's how you buy low, sell high. You don't want to get in right here. You don't want to be like, oh, I guess that bitch doing a bit strong. You feel me? Yeah, you're gonna be sick to your stomach. Wait for it to come back. Just wait. Let's go to ARM. Let's go to just find some tickers. Y'all got some tickers out here? Y'all want to? Anybody?
They had dropped some in the chat. But when you say resistance, what are you referencing? What that mean?
Oh, I got something in the chat. My bad. I'm going to my phone. 1 second, big dog. How do you gauge how far it's gonna pull back? Can you guys go over Oxy and Shell chart? Yeah. Okay. All right. Oxy and Shell. Support is all right. So this guy right here, right? I'm gonna go to do them other ones. What's his name? Rainer. This guy. Go study this guy. It's simple. He make it easy. Support and resistance. Support and resistance. This guy right here. Y'all peeping him? Yes. No.
Yes, sir. Appreciate that.
Yeah. Rainer Teo, whatever. Go look at his support and resistance videos. That's how I learned support and resistance. And then when you peep that, just start going down tickers and just trying. I do my support and resistance on the 1 hour of one. I don't go no lower than the 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly. That's all I need. He said Shell. What Shell? What Shell's ticker? We'll go to Oxy. See me? I wouldn't. Oh shit! What the fuck? I wouldn't touch Oxy, right? What you feel me? I can't see nothing. I don't see nothing. I just see chop. I don't know where it's gonna bounce at. Maybe because this right here. It bounced right here. That's valid, right? That's valid, guess. But me, I wouldn't have messed with it. Cause I don't know. But at the same time, that was valid. That's the reason. That was the support spot. It bounced. When it gets here, it likes to shoot up. What the monthly look like? Yeah, this spot just valid all. Yeah, that's just major. That's major support. That's big time support. Other than that, I have nothing else for this. Other than it just bounced off major support. Yeah, just chop. I wouldn't mess with this. Do anybody know Shell ticker? I mean Shell. Is it SHEL? That's what he said. Okay, yeah.
I have a question. Not sure if y'all can hear me.
Yes.
So yeah, I'm a beginner, so this question might be, silly or whatever, but
it was all
okay, cool. So you was talking about the weekly and like not trading, like, how do I explain this? You said basically like you wouldn't want to put a call in like the same week that it expires, if I'm correct. Again, my wording is not down pat, but what's the best way to go about it? So like if today's the 3rd, should I, wait for like in 2 weeks or something to come out, or like how do you, again, my wording is I'm just trying to make sure that I'm understanding.
Yeah. So when you're buying an options contract, right? Are you who do you, what's your platform you use?
I'm using Robinhood right now.
Okay. So go open your Robinhood app real quick.
Okay, give me a quick second. Okay, I'm in Robinhood right now.
Just go to any ticker. Tell me what ticker you're going to.
I'll do NVDA.
NVIDIA?
Yeah, NVIDIA.
If you're a beginner, I'll stay away from that monster too.
Okay.
You don't want to do it like that. But okay, so let's go to the option chain, right? Trade options.
Wait, hold on. Am I looking at show screen or am I still on my Robinhood?
Yeah, you're on your Robinhood.
Okay.
So you got October 4th. You got October 4th, then it goes 11th, the 18th, right?
Okay.
The 4th.
Okay, hold on.
Hey, somebody's not on mute. Somebody not on mute.
Hold on, give me a quick second. Let me get there. Okay. All right. So now I'm there. Then I see trade options. Okay. So now I'm in the space where you can see like October 4th, October 11th, 18th.
So October 4th is tomorrow, right?
Right.
Which means
right.
That's your weekly contract.
Okay.
You don't want to trade that. If you go to the theta and stuff like that, you'll see it sky high, which means that if it starts going against you, you're gonna start losing money very fast.
Okay.
And a whole nother, and with NVIDIA, you get about two bad candles, you're gonna see, you're gonna be like, what the hell just happened?
Okay.
So basically, that would be like playing spy with a 1 DT, a 1 day, a 1 BTE, which is, you know what a 0 DTE is?
No, I'm not there yet.
So when it comes to the indexes like QQQ, SPY, and stuff like that,
yeah, I know that.
0 DTE. 0 DTE means 0 days till expiration.
Okay, got it.
Which is basically playing Forex. You're the data is very high. If it goes your direction, the contracts will fly. If it goes against you, you will lose money in the blink of an eye.
Okay.
With tomorrow being Friday, that means your weekly contracts are basically 1 DTE.
Okay.
Which means very high theta, which you don't want to do that.
Okay.
Right? Time is your friend.
Right.
Gabs was saying that time is your friend. For a beginner, if you can afford them, I would go minimum 2 weeks out.
2 weeks out. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, 2 weeks out. Don't pay attention to the percentages, right? Because if you go 2 weeks out, they're going to be a little bit more expensive. And
Right.
long as it's going your direction and you're in the right trade and the right side, you will gain money. It won't be the higher percentages like you're saying in the chat. You feel me? Because Prince is playing weeklies and stuff like that. People are playing weeklies. You want to give yourself confidence. You don't want to hop in the game and just play weeklies and start getting burned. And now you're wondering what you're doing wrong. Or you get out the trade because it's going against you. Then the next day it starts flying. And you like, damn, I was, you was right, but you got out. And it's like, why did I do that? It's because you didn't buy yourself enough time.
Right.
And you have to get your psychology is really the main part to this game. So buy yourself time and you will save yourself.
So what would you suggest, like, for someone like myself who's like just starting, like a beginner ticker to, like, actually, try? Because I just saw Nvidia like today when everybody was talking about it, and I was doing my research and I was just like, let me see, So that's why I brought that one up. But I'm just trying to figure out like what would be a good starter one, and also too like what would be a good place to actually because I know there's like Thinkorswim, there's other places, but like just for like a beginner, like what would be a good one to just kind of start with, just to see, now, like put in some, make a contract now, and then maybe 2 weeks later, we'll see how everything goes.
Gotcha. So you're on Robinhood. Robinhood is not bad. I use Webull. Webull is like the advanced version of Robinhood. It's still very, very simple. If you want to, the only thing between Webull and Robinhood is that Robinhood has the instant deposit. You can deposit instantly, right? Robinhood or Webull. What was your other question to that?
Yeah, so like, what would be a good, like company or whatever to like invest in, to make your first contract for if this is your first time doing it for first call, like
Exxon is great.
You said what? I couldn't hear that part.
Exxon, but the reason about Exxon though is gonna get tricky now because this bidding broke this range, as y'all seeing. We used to play Exxon like this the whole way up and down, easy up and down. But now Exxon has broke this range. It's broke it. It's at 122. But Exxon is a good mover. It doesn't move too fast. It's always consistent. It's a good mover. Another one is Starbucks. Right now, it's after the CEO, it's not really giving too much. But if you see, it's been in a range. So when it hit the top, once it built it, Shop is okay.
What about Coca-Cola?
Some of these tickers just funny. Some of these tickers been acting funny. Like this been acting funny. That's why I haven't been looking at it. But this is a setup though. We're gonna keep this on watch.
Okay. And you said this one, which one is this one? Shop?
Yes. Shop. So Shop comes back when Shop comes back to 76 in this area where this purple line at, I want to see a reversal pattern. Double bottom, triple bottom, falling wedge, inverse head and shoulders. I want to see one of those happen.
And is that like the resistance that you're talking about? Like when it hits that line, that like how there's the green on the bottom and then the resistance is the top, obviously. So like the candles going in between, basically that range.
Yeah. So Shop, my computer's starting to glitch crazy now. This is not good. I had plotted out Shop, right? Shop, this green line, 667.90, but I was so busy at work, I just missed it. And then I just never got in a trade. You see what happened. This was resistance on the daily.
Okay.
Shop did the 1, 2, 3 move. It broke this resistance. It went up, made that high. When it started falling down, I was able to put the purple line there. You feel me? That's now 2, 3. Gone. This was resistance. On computer, don't thug me like that. I did my analysis on the week.
What if it fall back down to 67?
If it fall back to 67, I mean that'd be a great entry, but honestly, I doubt it. Why I doubt it is because a true uptrend, it wouldn't fall back down this far. Because if it fell back through here, it's gonna want to do this. If it fall back through here, it's gonna want to do this.
Mm-hmm.
They come back. You feel me?
Yeah.
But we playing the uptrend. So we want to see this. We want to keep saying it make a high, higher low, higher high, come touch the higher low, make another high.
Word.
Feel me? That's what we want. We don't want to see it break through that and go down further, because now it's invalidating what we want to see.
Yeah.
So like when I'm on my Robinhood, I can't see that the lining on like the 67.90. Like I don't see those marks. I'm not sure if is that your marks that you're making on your personal side. So because it's
that's
like
mine. I can take all that.
Okay. Okay. I'm like,
I can take. Yes. So this is Trading View. This is what I chart on. This is what most people chart on.
Okay.
And this is what you would chart on. And then your Robinhood is for you to enter the play. But this is what we chart on. Most of us. You have to chart on here. But this was a textbook play. Like this was lovely. Kind of hurt my feelings that I didn't get a piece of this.
Man, there you go again. Using the word textbook.
It's textbook, bro. Look at it, bro. Right. Hold on, y'all. Yes. From what? You give me a bowl. I'm in a live chat right now. They're listening and hear me everything. What's up? Chicken. I don't know the order. Come on now. What's up? My bad, y'all. Coming right back. Yeah, just make the bowl for me. I don't even know what's there. I don't know what's there. I don't even know what that is.
Take your time, no worries.
Thank you. All right. We're back. Y'all hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Talking about Mediterranean bowl. I don't know what that is. I'm such a nigga. I don't know. My bad. But this textbook. So what it is, right? Right here. This is the weekly, right? We can go all the way to the monthly. You just want to you want to break down the time frames, right? I ain't even know that. So right here, this monthly is very strong. Bounced at 46.92. That line I got right there. We bounced on the monthly. Bounced heavy. So let's go down to the weekly. We're gonna pretend that we're gonna pretend that all this right here, from right here, pretend all this ain't happened yet. All right, we just pretending. But now, today is right here. Today, let's say we was coming right here, right, and you get into this spot. So you know that's the strong spot. We want to. I think that's when Shop had earnings. That got to be an earnings gap. Like there can't be nothing else. So, anyways, we don't have to get in right here, right? Though we don't have to. Shop gave us the move. It went up. Boom. We broke through. I don't know. Somebody mic is not muted. I don't know. This is resistance right here, right? Can we all agree to that? That's resistance. Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Right. We're gonna put a whole line right there, right? We're gonna show that this is resistance, support and resistance. Right? You feel me? Like we come here, reject. We get above it, it flies. We're right here rejecting. That's ain't nothing but just simple support and resistance. You get on top of this the daily chart. You get on top of it, you bounce. You bounce. You get on top of it, you fly. You feel me? Support and resistance. That's all it is. So now we back over here. You broke through it. Wait on the retest. You got your inside candle, your hammer candle. We love hammer candles. We love engulfing candles. Get in the trade. Buy yourself some time. Go to your 4 hour. What kind of pattern did it give us? It's an ugly double bottom, but it happened, right? It's an ugly double bottom, but it definitely happened. Y'all probably can't see it, but it's there. The double bottom's there, and it retesting the neckline right there. One bottom, two bottom. Broke through resistance on the 1 hour. Came back to retest. When it come back to retest, you can enter right there. You don't always got to snipe at the bottom. You feel me? Can enter right there on the 1 hour. Easy money. But the analysis was going slow, bro. The analysis was right here. What the fuck?
I gotta get off, but thank you for answering my question. I'll probably be, texting in the group now that I said something that I kind of asked some more questions. But thank you again.
No problem. I hope I'm helping. No problem. You have a good night.
All right. Thanks.
Can you look at? Yeah. Okay. I'm seeing oil. Shit right now, so never mind. Yeah, I'm gonna look at those too. My bad. I'm just not sending in chat. Same thing though, bruh. Weekly chart. You broke structure. We knew this. As we saw, this was major resistance. Resistance now turns support. We're gonna wait for it to break through, come back. When it came back, this would be this right here, the line right there. That's would be our price target right there. We want to get there. So when it broke through, came back, inside candle, hammer candle. We did our analysis on the weekly, so you can enter on the daily. You don't have to go being all crazy with it. Like I know how to get or show enough how to get. Just enter on the daily. You got your hammer candle right here. that hammer candle told you to get in the trade. You get in, buy you some time from 67 to 76. That's cash money. But you want to see clean setups like that. It got to be clear. That's what I just told me and Shonuff was in the lounge laughing with each other earlier. Cause I'm realizing like, if it ain't clear, don't take the trade. You don't gotta, I'm not saying you gotta follow what I'm teaching right here. I'm not saying you got to, I'm not saying whatever, but whatever strategy you're using, if it ain't clear, if you can't see it, if you're guessing, if you're second guessing, leave it alone. Be disciplined. 1, 2, 3. Cash money. It's clear. It's all day long. I broke resistance, turned it to support. We come back to support, which is market structure on the daily and the weekly. It all lines up. I got a hammer candle. Get in the trade. Set your stop loss in below the hammer candle right here. It never even went down there. You would have never been red. You would have just been chewing. When as it going up does, sell some, and leave your runner. When you get your price target was 76 and 36, you got cash money, bro. What's these other tickets? We finna go through these real quick, then we gonna cut it off. We've been on here for a while. That'll work.
Yo, bro, I got a question.
Yes, sir.
What's your go-to patterns? Cause I know you do the head and shoulders and the double bottoms. That's like your go-to? Or
The biggest go-to is really double bottom. When I see that double bottom, that's the instant. I ain't second guessing nothing.
All right, say no more.
Like, check out this real quick. We're gonna come back. That shit was a while ago. But SPY loves to create double bottoms. I'm not gonna be able to find it because it was on a 5-minute time frame. But double bottom, I would say a double bottom and that inverse head and shoulders. Those the main two we see. Those the main two ones that we see. SLB, Badu. This one's far gone. I wouldn't touch it. We entered this one off the fibs. We started breaking up. That was the high. This was the swing low at the time. We broke up. We saw some bullish momentum. Came down, pin bar candle off the 618 fib. Get into play, buy yourself some time. The fib extensions give you price targets. So the first price target, when you break through back to the high, you didn't broke through it. So next price target would be this one right here, the green line, the 272. After that, it'll be the 0.5. But this stock is far gone. I would have to see a pullback.
Hold on.
But go ahead, show you here. Like, what the fuck? Don't be interrupting me like that, boy.
No, I want to bring this one up. I'm not sure if somebody remembers. Somebody called this stock out a couple weeks ago. And we said, wait for that pullback. And it did exactly that. I don't know who called SLB out, but it did exactly that.
Probably Gabby. Gabby, the one who said it, who told me to do this.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it was me.
Yeah, it definitely came back to you. You remember that day we was talking about Sophie and we was doing the fibs? It did this exact for you. It came right to you. And on the 4-hour, it gave you an inside candle at the end of the day on Thursday. And it gave you an inside candle. Just getting the trade.
Yeah, that perfect. Like that's exactly what you should like. Just remember, if an uptrend, we're seeing higher lows or higher highs, right? If this is a true uptrend, that higher low where that inside bar happened on that pullback, it should take at the higher high, which happened at 44.05, right?
Yep.
So essentially, what happened is this. I know somebody talked about this earlier. How you know, when, like exit your trade. My first price target is that 44.05 because that's when it got rejected. And then your runners, you would just, oh my goodness, that was textbook. That was a good trade if anybody took it, but we definitely talked about this SLB. Matter of fact, so
That's a
all I
hit,
worried
right?
about.
Yeah, that's nice. That was nice. I was at work when y'all had to be talking about that, but that's nice. That's
Somebody said Baidu. The Chinese stocks is right now. If you didn't get in, I feel like you are chasing. Could it continue higher? Absolutely. But look at the move. It didn't move almost what $60 in a week and a half, almost 30. Like,
these shit's gone.
like if you want to get in, that's totally up to you. Me personally, I am not, and I'm okay missing this run. Like you just got to be okay. You can't catch them all. However, just put yourself in position next time to catch these type of runs. All right. We talked about Chinese stocks for the whole month of September. Actually, we started talking about it at the end of August. Posted in my on my channel. But it had a falling wedge, right? It broke that downtrend line on a weekly and just took off. There you go. All right. And that's what, 2 years, like falling wedge. All right. Like once you all start having more screen time, these patterns are gonna be coming. Like you're gonna see them like second nature. I know one guy just asked about what's his go-to pattern. Double bottoms, like them are my favorite. Like I love me a double bottom because my risk to reward is like if I'm wrong, all right, you stop me out for $1. But if I'm right, look what happens if it goes your way. Like, and sometimes people do all this TA and don't even take the trade. So, but no, when I see SLB, I had to say something because I know somebody said something about it in the past. And Chinese stocks, they rarely pull back after that move.
Came back right to you. You missed it. Broke out. It opened up. It opened up like this though. This was the day it broke out the trend. Then it stopped right there. Then it opened up right back at the falling wedge trend line. It opened up right back there. That was the entry. Get in that bitch. Woo-wee. God damn.
So Bob, I'm done.
Nah, you good, bro. Shit. It's some other stocks. Baidu Cop.
That was another one I was asking you to look at, Bob.
What, Cop?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I was going to it. I just seen it. Don't whoop me, man, please. Hey, you do you be seeing these before time, or you just thought this up?
No, I don't. Well, some of them I do see before time. I see some of them I see before time.
I ain't got time for you and your shenanigans. Look at this shit. What else you want to see, Gabs? What? Just get in the trade game.
No, I really like, but I'm still not good at. I'm still horrible at exits. That's why I hesitate sometimes.
Okay, so check it out. Right, check it out. All you need, I don't know what's on your chart. If you got too much on your chart, clear it the fuck out. You feel me? I only put the EMAs on in the VWAP when I'm in a trade. You feel me? But if I'm not in a trade and I'm just charting like I'm charting right now, I don't have none of that on. It's so much easier to see You had your support right here. This is support. You bounce off support. It came right back to you. Take your trades near support. If you want to take a put, take your trade near resistance. Near resistance.
Okay, I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna do it.
Take that bitch all the way across. That's your resistance. When you get there, fall, big fall. Right here, support, bounce. You don't want to trade in the middle. In the middle, say you seen this green counter, you getting a call. Oh, I'm finna swing this bitch. Yeah, all right, you finna get your ass cooked tomorrow. Don't get in the middle. This is what I used to do, getting in the middle. Wait till you get to your key levels. These are key levels. Key level. It came back down here. This is what I call it abandoned baby. These three candles right here. This engulfing this big candle. Just getting a trade right there.
I just checked that.
Getting a trade near support for calls. Getting a trade near resistance. At resistance, at support. At support calls, at resistance for puts. You getting that trade right here, Gabby, you paid. Is there any more?
Not at the
That's it. I'm gonna go.
Hey, what was those 4 tickets you said you looked at? Because they move like not as fast as like
Exxon, Starbucks, Nike. This was
in Disney.
In Disney.
I'm gonna keep
Look at I had called this RCL. We had plotted this one though. I had missed this one too. But what you about to say, bro? Y'all see this, right? Anybody here? Do y'all see this?
Yeah, we see it.
Yeah, we see it.
I ain't talking about you, show. I know you see it. Right? Same thing we just been talking about. Resistance turning into support. Resistance turning to support. We just need the confirmation of it going back up. Oh shit.
All about the game.
1, 2, 3. This is our price target right here. This is our price target. 82, 85 our price target. See what we got on here. Let's see what we got. Prices price going up big time. It possibly could tomorrow. Might drop here.
All right, Bob, I'm logging off. Good job.
Yeah, me too. It got a little falling wedge right there, but it's simple, man. I'm finna get out of here too, but
good job.
You just want to see the 3. You just want to see that 3, the 3. You feel me?
Well done. I'm proud of you.
The 3 move, man. 1, 2, 3 is doing. They're coming back. For yourself, man. I'm gonna get out of here. Y'all have a good night.
Thank you, bro. You too.
Bro, appreciate you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
If you guys enjoyed it, type in the chat. Just say thank you to him. Just drop that thank you.
Fresh out of work, man. I hope I did a great job. Ain't even washed my ass. I still got my whole outfit. Have a good night, man. Fuck with y'all in the chat.
If you enjoyed the session, in the chat, say thank you. You put in the time and the effort.